since I know myself in the market. You know, I grew up here with my mother and father. It's a generation thing now, right? The turn up on our market is a good place to shop to get value for your money. Don't go in them grocery where they're busting all the head. We are reasonable prices here, good quality goods. You know what I mean? Fresh thing now, right? I'm going to try to work from Wednesday to Sunday. 5 days, yeah.
5 days?
And 2 days for your family, you know? You can't work every day. You die. So now, on our market, we just try to treat people good. Customers, we love them. And you know, the corporation, they're working on treating we good. And the small improvements and things now, right?